Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome! Now I'm going to be showing you some cards that I made, and I don't do tutorials on my channel for cards because my channel is mostly about crochet and yarn. I design crochet wearables. I just put out a video tutorial a couple of days ago for a poncho that I designed, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to slip a picture in here right now of that poncho in case you haven't seen it, and I will link the tutorial below. So there's the poncho. You can make it in any size yarn you like. All right, so the next thing is I have two yarn orders coming in, one from Love Crafts and one from Hobie. And I'm excited. So I don't know when they're going to arrive, but there'll be some yarn hauls. All right, so I learned to make this card from Kelly at Life of a Millwife, and she has a tutorial on her channel on how to make this card with the strips running diagonally. So pretty. So I will link her video below. I like to make cards because I find it enjoyable, and also when I do giveaways or send out happy mail, I like to send a handmade card that I made myself to the recipient. Yeah. So here we go. Let's take a look. I showed this in a video already. This is the one that I made when I was at Kelly's place making cards. Now, if you have scrap paper that you can cut in strips or whatever, you could use it up by making these cards. So I'm not going to give away the secret exactly. I'd like you to watch Kelly's video if you want to make them. But yeah, this is the very first one I made over at her place. And then I made this one at home, and I showed this one. I have a whole stack here of other ones I'm going to show you in a minute that I made at home. This one I made at home, and I did show you. It says cherish the simple things. I showed you on another video. And this one I also showed on another video as well. It says cherish. You can see the plants in the pots. And I made sure they went in order so you can see what the picture is there. Okay, now this one I made as well that I haven't shown. I haven't shown any of these. So this one says visualize, rehearse your future. See how it's on an angle? There's paper behind there that's got design on it as well. You can see through between the strips. And then there's this one. My cards always end up a little bit bent. I think I used too much glue. All right, this is called Smile Along the Way. And I put these other sentiments here so you can read it. You can smile along the way being positive. I did that on purpose. Yes, I did. And then this one. Oh, I really like this one. Blue is my favorite color. Oh, I have a lot of favorite colors, but I think blue is my favorite. Cherish the little things, and then there's just some stickers. I just use stickers on it. And then this one's a very dark one. Some people like dark shades and like this, and I thought this was just so pretty, and I put butterflies instead of flowers, and it says cherish yesterday, live for today, dream of tomorrow. And then here's one. This would go in a giveaway when someone wins a giveaway because it does say congrats. And I think this is so pretty. I put this lacy ribbon behind the congrats, and I put these beautiful puff flowers. I got these either at Dollar Tree or Dollarama. So that's that one. And then this is a darker card too, but I think it's just gorgeous Congratulations. I put gold paper behind that, and this gold around the sentiment matches it, so I thought that was really, really cool. There's a little bit of gold in these flowers too, these stickers. So if you make something like that, you could have your stickers in green to match the green, or this orangey color. You could put a different background. You don't have to put the gold. You could put a green, blue, orange, whatever matches, and then do your flowers the same. Put orange flowers if you like. Yeah, there's the ideas are endless. And this one is just a sentiment that was on a sheet. You just unstick it, and then I put it on some purple paper and then put some white behind it. It just says you are loved, and then these beautiful puffy flowers that I really, really, really love. And they have also some blue as well as the purple in those. And we have two more. This one is, I had a smaller background that I put this strips of paper on, so it was a little smaller than the actual cardstock, so that's okay. This is how I did. I put some little flower petals like they're maybe blowing in the air, and many thanks to, that could be for a supporter of my channel. Thank you all for being here for me, and I hope I'm here for you too. And then there's this flower that I just put along the bottom. So that's that. And then the very last one I made last night, I had this yellowy paper, so I'm like, oh, okay, I'm gonna make a yellow one. I decided to put black as a background because this paper has black in it, and so does the sentiment has black, and the gold, which will go with the yellow here, and then the yellow flowers. And there is pink on this background and yellow because this is cardstock. This is how it was already made. And I'm going to put my little sticker on here that says this was made by Crafty Yarn Owl. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and watch out for those yarn hauls. Oh, I'm so excited to get the one, especially from Hobie. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.